Microgravity changes everything, even how we prepare and eat food. In today's video, I'll explore the unique challenges of food preparation in space and the innovative solutions scientists are developing to make eating in space more practical. In microgravity, liquids don't pour or behave the same way as on Earth. They form floating blobs and can make it difficult to mix ingredients. This makes traditional cooking methods impractical. Crumbs from dry foods can also float away and become a hazard if inhaled or cause damage to equipment. To address these challenges, astronauts use special utensils and cooking appliances designed for space. For example, they use magnetic or Velcro-equipped trays to keep food in place. Also, most food is prepared using pre-packaged meals that require minimal preparation, such as adding hot water to rehydrate freeze-dried foods. Researchers are working on developing cooking appliances that can function in microgravity and on creating more versatile food items that require less preparation. Microgravity presents unique challenges for food preparation, but innovative solutions are making it easier for astronauts to enjoy their meals. What do you think would be the best solution for cooking in space? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on space technology and science.